related to the development of existing analysis methods and designing new methods. Fast and valid chemical analysis is needed by scientists, doctors, engineers, and others. For example, for investigative purposes like forensic, analysis results are needed quickly to prevent unexpected things. The authorities must also make decisions within a limited time to detain or release suspected criminals. In addition to being fast and valid, non-invasive, non-destructive, easy, and cheap analysis methods are often needed. Now we will discuss about Michael Jackson case.
Hello everyone, thank you for your time and attention. Here we will discuss a major case that rocked the entertainment world, namely that of Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson is king of pop. He passed away on June 25, 2009 at the age of 50. His passing shocked millions of fans around the world and raised various speculation. After being investigated, the cause of his death turned out to be an overdose of propofol and very strong anesthesia.
Is an anesthetic commonly used in medical procedure and major surgery. This drug works very quickly, but must be used very carefully under the supervision of a doctor. If the dose is excessive, the drugs can cause respiratory arrest of the dead. Michael was known to have suffered from severe sleep disorder for years. Unfortunately, his personal physician, Dr. Conrad Murray, gave him propofol as a substitute for sleeping pills. This action was very unusual and life-threatening.
After Michael's death, Dr. Murray immediately became the center of attention and underwent a legal investigation. In 2011, he was found guilty of involuntary manslaughter. He was sentenced to 4 years in prison, although he only served for 2 years because for his good behavior. To prove the cause of death, a toxicology analysis was performed on Michael's body. Very high level of propofol and other sedatives were found. Scientific techniques such as gas chromatography and mass spectrometry were used to accurately analyze the substance.
From the result of the analytical, it was clear that the dose of propofol in his body was far beyond the safe limit. This data became key evidence in court that confirmed the doctor's negligence. This case highlights the importance of analytical chemistry in the world of forensics. The science had revealed facts and support justice in the legal process. Michael Jackson did is harsh reminder of the dangers of the drug abuse and the importance of medical ethics. Hopefully, from this case, we can learn to be wiser and more responsible in terms of health. Thank you.
What was the cause of Michael Jackson's death? On June 24, 2009, Michael was preparing for an upcoming concert at the Staples Center, which was 28 kilometers away from his home. After the rehearsal ended, he took a car and returned home at 12:30 that night. First, he went to the kitchen to have dinner prepared by his nutritionist, and then went upstairs to rest. While lying in bed, although Michael was tired and sleepy, he couldn't fall asleep. He could only barely doze off with the help of drugs. Therefore, he had specifically set up a medicine room next to his bedroom. So, as usual, he got up and went there. His personal doctor, Conrad Murray, was waiting for him inside. After preparing the medicine, Murray injected it into Michael's body. Propofol is a fast-acting and potent general anesthetic. Although it has been widely used in hospitals, if the dosage is not well controlled, it is very likely to be fatal. Moreover, at that time, Conrad Murray was not qualified to use this drug. After he completely injected the drug into Michael Jackson's body, he went to the bathroom. When he came back, he found that the man on the bed had a very weak pulse and was having difficulty breathing. Seeing this, Conrad began to sweat coldly. Instead of taking first aid measures immediately, He went downstairs to call for help and then called Michael Jackson's assistant. When the assistant arrived at the scene, the man on the bed was unresponsive. He immediately called the police and moved Michael to the floor for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. By the time the police and doctors arrived, they immediately took Michael Jackson to the hospital, but it was too late. Conrad Murray was sentenced to 4 years in prison.